Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to unhide story on Instagram. So first, you just have to simply launch or open your Instagram application, and then suppose that I have added a story here, and in order for you to hide this to specific people, what you're going to do is just simply click this three dots at the bottom right corner, and then tap story settings, and that is below add mentions. So once you tap this one, as you can see, hide story from, in order for you to hide this story, you just have to tap this and select these people. And in order for you also to unhide, you just have to simply uncheck this one. But this one is for a specific story. And if you want to do this to all of your story and features, what you're going to do is to go back to your profile, okay, and then click this three lines at the top right corner, go to settings, now scroll down, tap this hide story and live, and then what you're going to do is to simply uncheck the people that you have selected. So tap this, and as you can see, I have selected three persons here. And to unhide my story and not just specific story, but all of my upcoming stories on Instagram, I have to uncheck this and then go back. As easy as that. And yes, that's how easy it is to unhide story on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.